How to make money with affiliate marketing. What exactly is affiliate marketing, and what do affiliate marketers do? In the process of affiliate marketing, a business pays a marketer for producing leads or even sales, depending on the agreement. Each time a customer uses a special affiliate link associated with you to make a purchase, you as the affiliate marketer receive a commission. There is a sizable affiliate marketing sector. The majority of businesses that take part in affiliate programs are not just regional but also international. What constitutes a successful affiliate marketing plan? Select an affiliate company and an affiliate product that you are familiar with and have used before. You'll find it simple to write content to advertise products and generate passive money if you follow that advice. Here are a few of the best chances for affiliate marketing. 1. Amazon Associates. The biggest affiliate sales program in the world is run by Amazon. Millions of items are readily available. It is, however, fiercely competitive, as you might anticipate. You'll need to focus your marketing efforts on a small number of well-chosen products. 2. Commission Junction. This business specializes in affiliate marketing efforts for various major corporations, including Overstock, Blue Apron, TurboTax, and Barnes & Noble. 3. ClickBank. On this website, affiliate marketing operates by bringing together creative product owners and affiliate marketers. Since ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate networks, learning how to use it can be beneficial. 4. Flex Offers. The business has a multi-level affiliate platform with digital performance-based marketing tools. 5. Shopify. This is a perfect fit for those who host webinars or online training courses on their own websites. When someone clicks on a link you provide to a Shopify product, your audience turns into paid traffic. On each Shopify recommendation, you get paid. What kind of profits can you expect from affiliate marketing? It's entirely up to you and directly relates to how much time you can commit to the project. With recurring commissions, you can make a respectable living as well as a significant sum of money. Commissions might be paid as a percentage of the sale, 5 to 10%, or at a flat rate. In other words, you might only make a few bucks on a cheap product but considerably more on pricey ones. Pick products that you actually support and utilize. Particularly when you first start out, keep your product list short. Prior to including affiliate links, concentrate on effectively promoting those products. To increase sales of the goods, use a variety of traffic sources. Utilize your website, Facebook page, blog, emails, and other free resources. Ensure that your website is connected and positioned effectively in search engines. Spend some time doing research to make the best program choice. If you are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, click the link in the description below to learn more. If you found value here, please like this video, and subscribe for more great content.